The whole agency market is shifting under your feet in 2026, and your regular accountant is going to tell you about it next April, and that's a problem. I'm Craig Cody. I'm a former NYPD lieutenant and now a CPA and certified tax coach, and my firm works with marketing and advertising agency owners all day long. There are 5 macro trends reshaping this industry right now. Drew McClellan laid them out on the Build a Better Agency podcast. The Edelman Trust Barometer and AMI's own Agency Edge research back this up. I'm not here to relist the trends. I'm here to tell you what to actually do about them, because every one of them is a financial decision before it's a headline. And that's exactly what my firm does for agencies. We work with over 70 agencies on at least a monthly basis, so we've built a deep institutional knowledge. So a quick version of the shift. Trust in big institutions is collapsing. So clients are leaving the holding companies for founder-led shops like yours. The holding companies are cracking and windfall accounts are landing in your lap. Clients find and hire agencies differently now through niche and referral. AI is compressing margins and the economy is uncertain, so spending is slow and cash is lumpy. Good news, but hard news, all at once. Here's the gap most agency owners fall into. Your typical CPA is a historian. They record what already happened and file a return. That's the rearview mirror. Navigating a market changing this fast takes the windshield, someone looking forward with you all year. And that's the difference between a tax preparer and a tax advisor. And it's the whole reason my firm exists. So here's what we actually do for agency owners. 1, we're proactive, year-round tax planning. We do not wait for April. We adjust your estimated payments to the year you are actually having, not last year's better one. By the time tax season comes, there are no surprises. 2, fractional CFO and cash flow forecasting. Trust is winning you the work, but the sales cycle is longer and profit is not cash. We forecast the cash, build a reserve for the slow quarter, and make sure a tax due date and a dry spell never hit the same week. 3, job costing, margin, and pricing discipline. AI is only a discount if you let it be. We help you job cost your engagements so you see real margin, not imagined margin. And we hold the line with the 55-25-20 benchmark. So a windfall account does not bury you in payroll you can't keep. 4, entity structure and windfall planning. A big year in the wrong structure hands 1/3 of it to the IRS. We build the structure and the plan before December so you keep more of what you make. 5, monthly financial visibility. Most owners cannot tell which clients actually make the money. We can, and that's the number that decides everything else. Hear who this is for. Small and mid-sized marketing and advertising agencies. The ones getting squeezed by the bigger players. That is the side I chose. If you are doing 7 figures and flying blind on your numbers, that's exactly the seat we fill. One belief I run the firm on: a CPA should be an income item, not an expense. If we are not saving you more than we cost, we are not doing our job. And a lot of our clients come to us already burned by a prior finance team. We are used to steadying the ship and making it right. The macro trends are not the story. What you do with your numbers while they play out is the story. Drew is right about where the market is going. My job is to make sure your finances and your tax plan are pointed in the same direction. Run the agency by the numbers and let the numbers look through the windshield. If you want to see where these trends are already showing up in your numbers, grab a free tax analysis at craigcodyandcompany.com. Let's make sure 2026 is the year you keep more of what you make. All right, before you go, if you're an agency owner and you want to keep more of what you make, I've got 2 things for you. First, grab a copy of my book, The 12 Biggest Tax Mistakes That Cost Agency Owners Thousands. It breaks down the exact mistakes I see every day and how to avoid them. Second, if you want to see what this looks like for your business, get a free tax analysis. We'll take a look at what you're doing now and show you where you might be overpaying. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future strategies on tax planning, cash flow, and building a more profitable agency. I'll see you in the next video.